Hi everyone on YouTube, this is Geoff from geoffmobile.com. Today I am going to be filming a tutorial on how to collapse or pack up this foldable beach tent. And this video will be filmed in 3D 180 VR. So if you have a virtual reality headset, you can watch this video in virtual reality in 3D to see what it's like in person. If you're watching on a computer and you want to look around the screen, drag your mouse on the video to look around the room, or if you're on a phone or iPad, drag your finger around on the screen to move around, look around the room, because I will be doing stuff on the floor. So if you want to see on the floor, you have to look down in the video, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So this is a pretty standard and popular beach tent. It's very simple design. It folds up into a circular one. You can get these from China pretty cheap nowadays. So first I'm going to show you what it looks like when we unpack it. So it says, all the instructions are actually in Chinese here. You can kind of see here. And it says it's an automatic sunscreen tent. And the instructions here on how to put it away are actually really confusing. So first I'll open up the tent. You can see that it has a front area here. And normally if you're on the beach, you'd want to put this out on the beach and then use the pegs that come with it to peg it down onto the beach so it doesn't fall over. So this is basically how you set it up. These are great for kids. And I can put a link below to some example product pages where you can buy this exact tent. But the real question is, how do you put it away? And I did watch several other videos on YouTube where people talk about how to put it away, but it wasn't really clear to me how to do it. So I practiced a lot and I figured out a foolproof way to collapse this tent. So the first thing you do is, you see the entrance here, you want to fold it up so that it lies flat by squeezing the top. So now you can see that it's basically flat and it's kind of curved here as well. So you want to look at this natural curve of the tent and see which way is naturally curving down. So in this case, it looks to me that I can do it this way. So then you want to put your foot on the bottom so that your bottom foot is on both the ridge from the outside and the ridge from the inside. And you'll fold the tent down, keeping your foot on the tent, fold it all the way down to the bottom, and then put your foot on there. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to bring these two loops in towards each other. And then for the bottom loop, bring it up, move it towards the front of the tent. So it just folds in like that. So there you go. So I'll show you a little bit more what it looks like. So if you're standing on, if the tent is like this and you're standing on this part here, there's these two loops, and you want to bring the loops together and make the bottom part of this loop go under. And that's pretty much it. I'll move the camera down and do it one more time so you can have a look from a different angle. Okay, so once again, I'll show you one more time. This is from the lower angle. You have the tent like this. You want to fold the tent flat by grabbing the top and squeezing the top. And then look for the natural curve in the tent and fold it that way down. Make sure your foot is on the bottom and you fold it down like this. And then the trick is, at this point, bring these two loops together. Actually, that should go like that. And then you can see that the bottom here of this loop, I want to move forward. Like that. See? Just bring that like that. And that is it. And you can gather up all of this here and put it into the bag. And this way, the tent is not strained. There's some methods I've seen are forcing the tent into a certain circle, and it's really bad for the tent to be forced into a bad position. The way I just showed you is super easy and also doesn't damage the tent at all, and it helps the tent keep its natural shape. So thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. I hope it made sense to you, and The trick is, once you've got those two loops together, take the bottom loop and move the bottom part of it towards the front of the tent, and that helps it all collapse nicely. Please give it a try, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I look forward to sharing more tutorials with you in 3D 180 VR virtual reality. If you want to get the full experience of this tutorial, please watch it in a virtual reality headset such as the Oculus Quest 2, and that will help you understand better by seeing this done in 3D. Of course, if you just have a phone or computer, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment the video. Hope to see you back again very soon. Have a great day, and bye-bye for now.